What do you think of when you hear the name Pittsburgh? Maybe it's the iconic bridges spanning its three rivers. If you're a sports fan, maybe you think of the illustrious Major League sports teams. If you're like many, however, you probably think of Pittsburgh's dilapidated industrial heart. Whatever you think of, the word sustainability probably doesn't come to mind. After all, this steel city didn't get its name from planting trees. This mid-sized city defied the fate faced by many post-industrial towns and instead rebranded itself as America's role model for the next green city. Today we'll look at one of the key factors of Pittsburgh's green revitalization: its buildings. Vehicles and industry often get the bulk of attention as polluters and energy consumers. However, the Energy Information Administration reports that buildings account for 30 to 40% of national energy consumption. Buildings have all sorts of uses and draw power in many different ways: air conditioning and heating, refrigeration, electronics, cooking, water heating, lighting, and other things. Much of our developed world lifestyle depends on our at-home comforts and luxuries. Not to mention the energy demands of our professional spaces, as offices, hospitals, arenas, and more. As such, buildings provide a huge opportunity to address energy consumption and move towards zero emissions. Part of this effort is the EPA's Energy Benchmarking Program. Pittsburgh, in addition to many other cities, has mandated that large, non-residential buildings report their energy usage to the city. This information includes building size, the year built, its property type, its monthly energy usage, energy use intensity, types of fuel sources, and its water usage. The city then aggregates this data and produces an annual report in which it summarizes the city's energy usage, identifies its good and bad performers, and offers suggestions on how to improve efficiency. This data also allows the city to set performance targets for energy efficiency by comparing individual buildings to other buildings of their type. The city can then look at the average performance of building groups such as hotels, hospitals, offices, and arenas, and determine which buildings could perform better and which buildings set the standard for energy performance. The city can also examine long-term trends to assess whether the city is making progress toward carbonization goals. For example, Philadelphia's benchmarking program reported a 12% reduction in total greenhouse gas emissions between 2013 and 2019. The program also allows cities to compare their performance with the performance of other cities across the nation. Knowledge is power, and the benchmarking program adds another tool to a city government's belt to help fight climate change. To help cut carbon emissions, the U.S. Green Building Council has developed a certification system which sets environmental standards for new construction. Since its inception in 1998, the U.S. Green Building Council has approved over 10,000 LEED projects nationwide. Building projects earn points toward their LEED certification by fulfilling requirements such as locally sourcing their materials, using water efficiently, supplying their building with renewable energy, prioritizing indoor air quality, among other things. There are a number of LEED certified buildings in Pittsburgh. Two such buildings, which are some of the largest in Pittsburgh, are located on the PNC headquarters campus. 2 PNC Plaza is a LEED Silver certified building. Certified in 2017, this building earned most of its points from optimizing its energy performance and utilizing alternative transportation for its occupants. The tower at PNC Plaza, down the street from 2 PNC, was built in 2009 and certified LEED Platinum in 2015. Earning an impressive 86 points, this building excels in water efficiency, energy, and indoor air quality categories. Both of these buildings are much less energy intensive than the median office building in Pittsburgh, showcasing the efficacy of the LEED certification system. Other LEED certified buildings in Pittsburgh include the Phipps Conservatory's Welcome Center, the David L. Lawrence Convention Center, and the PPG Paints Arena, home of the Pittsburgh Penguins. Buildings play many roles in our society and are a big part of our everyday lives. As humanity searches for ways to decarbonize and protect our planet for the future, we need to be more aware of how and where we build, the materials we use, and the energy we consume. City governments should develop land carefully to make full use of public transportation, incentivize building owners to construct their facilities using green and energy-efficient materials, and monitor energy usage to continually search for opportunities to lower the city's energy dependency. Preserving our planet's environment for ourselves and the natural world will take a comprehensive effort from all sectors of society. But cities and city governments play a crucial role in building a greener tomorrow.